distinguished members of our staff, Chef Carmela D'Amore from Australia, all together to make known and preserve the cultural, human, and historical heritage of the island. We are all at sea, and Sicily has reopened its waters to the whole world, so see you there. Now we would like to thank our donors of the week, Tom Lombardo from Texas, Maria Rosario Basile from Buenos Aires, and Sarah Collins from Oregon. This is the islet of Mosia. How it must have been at the time of its foundation by the Phoenicians, around 1100 before Christ. Phoenicians, besides Mosia, founded Palermo and Solunto in Sicily. You can see the city walls and many sailing boats in the sea. Today Mosia presents the ruins of those times, and the whole islet is an archaeological area, right in front of the coast of Marsala and the fascinating salt pans of Stagnone. Inside there is also a beautiful museum that among the various finds has this beautiful statue, the Motia Charioteer, the young men of Mosia, dating back to the 15th century before Christ, and probably brought to the island by the Carthaginians after they defeated the Greek city of Selinunte on the Sicilian mainland. For any information, do not hesitate to contact our cultural department. We are available to all the world for anyone who desires Sicily. This is our mission. Now we take a walk in 3 small villages, ideal for buying a house at a very low price and living in Sicily. This is Rocca Fiorita, eastern Sicily, not even 200 inhabitants, with a magnificent panorama of the Ionian Sea and Etna. The sea is 20 minutes away, and you are immersed in peace and silence. This is Giuliana, western Sicily, 2,000 inhabitants, a town of ancient traditions with a beautiful castle and surrounded by nature. And this is Agira, central Sicily, inland, 8,000 inhabitants, home of the historic Diodoro Siculo, with a beautiful Arab facility in the historic center and a medieval one on the slopes of the castle. In all these places you will find true Sicily, peace and hospitality. Contact us if you want more information on how to buy in Sicily. On June 28, 1867, Luigi Pirandello was born, a Sicilian writer, one of the most authentic, who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1934. Do you want to buy his book? One that comes fast to mind? One, No One, and 100,000. On July 9, 1943, the Americans landed in Sicily during the Second World War. On July 10, 1831, preceded by very loud roars, a volcanic island suddenly appears in the southern part of the African Sea, Ferdinandea, Graham Island in English. It will disappear a few months later and will never return. In this exceptional video of the Lucci Institute of 1932, we see the preparations of the Littorio Theater in Noto. Here is the city that has become world famous for its Baroque architecture, and this is the theater that used to be where the municipal soccer field is today. It was assembled in summer and dismantled in winter. At the bottom you see the eagle symbol of fascism, and here are the Sicilian workers at work, faces and images of almost 100 years ago, when Sicily was linked to strong traditions and young lovers organized the Fuitina, when they did not have parental consent to the wedding. Si vedo come uno gira, de cá a passare. That, if it's true that the world turns, it must pass from here, which means that sooner or later things will work out. If we have been wronged, the moment will surely come when the event will repeat itself in reverse or settle down. And now it's time to say goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you all for your next vacation in Sicily. Everything is over by us, and the same is happening all over the world. We've removed the mask and put on the bathing suit. We will see you in 15 days. A kiss to the whole world.